Hi guys, let's talk about YouTube money. 7 ways through which you could possibly make money through YouTube. Yes guys, YouTube is a very big deal, and this so because we're talking about there are being millions and millions of people consuming videos each and every day on YouTube. And even so, we have tens of millions of YouTube content creators who are out there pumping videos for you to get access to each and every day. This tells you we're talking about a very volatile traffic on this space. In essence, this traffic is actually facilitating business. That's why I want to share with you 7 ways through which you could possibly make money through YouTube. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afaza Sifuna. And by the way, if you're not here, kindly consider subscribing. Subscribe to this channel for you to be getting such awesome videos regularly. Having said that, first way through which you can make money on YouTube is through Google AdSense. Yes guys, the AdSense ads served on your video. I'm pretty sure when you're watching YouTube videos out there, you've occasionally encountered adverts out there at the start, in the course of the video, and even at the very tail end of the video. People out there are getting money through these adverts. In essence, YouTube creators and also YouTube itself are sharing money off the bidding of these adverts. And of course, for adverts out there, they are content specific. Based on the theme of the channel, those adverts are going to be shown specifically based on the bid for theme. For example, financial channel content, for example, my channel, for example, is going to be showing most adverts around finance content, okay? A given channel out there, for example, lifestyle content, foods content, is going to be showing mostly adverts relating to those fields too. That's why there is high competition on bidding for spaces out there for advertisers to put their adverts out there. And with that, it also means creators out there are getting paid. In fact, a good number of creators out there are actually getting full-time revenue from YouTube. This tells you that actually there is propensity for you to make good adverts money on YouTube. And for this, you need awesome content, and also you need to build a substantial number of following on YouTube for you to be in this business, for you to be able to make any good amount of advert revenue, right? And then, second way through which you can be able to make money through YouTube is through you having channel memberships and also super chats. Good thing is that also YouTube has availed that option for creators out there, whereby you can have subscribers out there join your channel specifically through membership, for them to be able to accessing exclusive content. And even so, these people out there can also assist you get additional income through super chat. Think about it. People out there, for example, are going on live stream, for them to be able to share additional information with you, for them to be able to share real information with you. And through that also, there is the option of creators out there getting paid by their audience or their fans in real time. In essence, getting paid through different monetization options out there beyond Google AdSense. So look to jump into this, and you could be able to get extra amount of income through YouTube, right? And then the third way through which you can be able to make money through YouTube is by you exploiting affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, guys, is essentially modern times salesmanship, through which you can be able to assist a product or even a company out there get in front of viewers through a specific dedicated link. Look to join multiple affiliate programs out there, for example, Amazon. For example, and there are so many affiliate programs out there, even I can't mention all of them. We're talking about thousands of affiliate programs, but the most common there is, for example, Amazon. Why not have, for example, dedicated links on your website or even on your YouTube channel for you to be able to get additional money? And the caveat to this is that also put relevant links. For example, you're talking about cameras on your video. Why not have an Amazon link specifying the camera you're using, or even pinpointing viewers towards the camera you're talking about in your video? And this is a relevant affiliate link which can actually have a good number of leads to it. So look at affiliate marketing for you to be able to make money through affiliate marketing too on YouTube, right? And then the fourth idea through which you can also be able to make money through YouTube by you licensing your content to media houses out there. Maybe you making awesome movie-like content on YouTube. And in fact, guys, we're talking about there being awesome creators out there who are creating mind-boggling content. Yes, you could be able to also license your content to different media houses out there. YouTube doesn't really stop you. You are the creator of this content. You might just also have your content up on YouTube, but also license it to different media houses out there and get paid for that. Because media houses out there, guys, are also looking for ways through which they can continuously entice their viewers. You might even have a long-standing agreement with a given media house out there for them to be able to be adding your content and getting paid for that, right? And then idea number 5 is you getting into sponsorships and also influencing for different brands out there. Yes, guys, I'm pretty sure even by now you've seen different videos out there indicating, for example, that video is sponsored. In essence, a creator is working with a given sponsor out there to assist them get their name to an audience. Why not also exploit that clout? You could be a very good creator out there with a sizable audience out there. Why not look to jump into sponsorships and also influencing for different brands out there? The only caveat for this is that just jump on what you believe. For example, sponsor a given product or even a given company in your video if you believe in what they're offering. Don't sponsor a scam, right? Don't sponsor a bad product, because at the end of the day, you might end up losing your credibility in case you jump into sponsoring scams and even poor products. Sponsor what you believe in, what you've used, and at the end of the day, it's going to be a win-win situation. You're going to be able to share the information with your audience, and also the company is going to be able to get in front of this audience, right? And then the 6th idea you could look to jump into is you selling your own original products. Talk about merchandise, causes, you name it. You could be having your own original product. Why not pitch for it through your videos? It is your YouTube channel. YouTube doesn't stop you. Yes, you could look to use that particular channel for you to be able to sell your own unique products by either diverting people from your website, and even so, YouTube also have a marketplace through which you can be able to sell directly your merchandise through YouTube. And even guys talking about there being additional, for example, out there, add-ons which can assist you have an awesome marketplace even on YouTube. Look for share your products on YouTube and be able to make extra income, right? And then guys, the 7th and last way through which you can make money through YouTube is by you doing crowdfunding. In essence, you getting or soliciting for donations and money from the public. I'm pretty sure by now you've seen even some videos out there which are labeled fundraising. These are essentially doing crowdfunding, trying to get money from the public for a specific project. And by the way, guys, if you didn't know, you can also do crowdfunding for your own YouTube projects or even additional projects out there. Don't hesitate. If you have the following which believes in you, don't hesitate, for example, to do crowdfunding. In case you want, for example, to do a mega project out there, do crowdfunding and you're going to be able to raise money for you to be able to get that project going. And I think with this that also you need to understand, for crowdfunding, you need to also let go part of the stake of that particular project. In essence, the people contributing money to it also need to have a return on an investment, right? What do you all think about these 7 ideas? I hope you've gotten one or two which are exciting and you look forward to implement them in full. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye and you all take care.